Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 59 Wilkinson Street in Wandal. This Queenslander has had a new breath of life and a complete renovation. Come with us, let's take a quick tour. You know, this home proves that it doesn't have to be a big home to be a great home. The owners have cleverly renovated this home and maximised every inch of the property. With 3 generous bedrooms and 2 amazing bathrooms that complement the brand new kitchen, this home will impress. How good is 59 Wilkinson Street? It is in a great location. The house has been immaculately renovated and it's ready for you to just pack your bags and move in. If we can help you own this lovely home, give us a call today. We would love to help you out.